In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix your laptop speakers crackling or any other speaker issues that you might be having. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tech tips just like this. It really does help with the channel and we greatly appreciate it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually click on your start menu down here and then select settings. On this page, you're going to want to go ahead and wait for it to load, and once it does load for you, scroll all the way down to the bottom on this left-hand side and select Windows Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. You'll see it up at the very top. If that is the case, you can also press check for updates just to make sure that your system is fully updated. Sometimes this alone can solve the crackling sound problem or other sound issues. If not though, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is close out of this and hit the search bar down at the bottom of your screen and actually type in Device Manager and open it up. From here, go ahead and expand this audio inputs and output section right here and find your speakers within this section. In my case, we're going to use this one right here. And in this case, what you're going to want to go and do is actually right click them and then hit update driver here. It's going to pull up with two different options. Go ahead and select search automatically for drivers and let Windows check to see if there's an update. If there is one, it's going to install a new driver and then you just want to test your speakers again to see if that problem is fixed. Once again, if it still isn't, go ahead and right click this little speaker icon at the bottom of your taskbar and select sound settings. Go ahead and scroll down on this page until you see the option for more sound settings and open it up, and then go into this playback section and just once again find your speakers in here and right click it and then choose properties. From here, go ahead and navigate into the advanced tab if you do have one. In my case, I do not. And what you're going to want to choose is actually enable audio enhancements and then press apply and OK, and then check your audio again and it should stop it. But that's it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.